So most people solve this question like cancel this 12 by 6, right? So 2 now 2 times 1 is equal to 2, right? So 6 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question here we have one division and here multiplication. So both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 6. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 6 as it is same. Then C means change this sign from division to multiplication. Then F means flip this fraction 1 upon 6 is equal to 6 upon 1 times 12, right? So now 6 times 6 is equal to 36 times 12, right? So now 36 times 12 is equal to 432. So the correct answer is 432, right? If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe with the T Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.